Tired of the same old three-strand braid? What if we told you the most breathtaking braid styles aren't the ones everyone is wearing? Dive into a world of sophisticated twists and intricate patterns that redefine elegance and individuality. 1. Infinity Braid Updo. This elegant updo is perfect for formal events, offering an incredibly intricate look without the need for complex weaving. The infinity pattern adds dimension and is surprisingly secure, making it a wonderful choice for those with medium to long, thick hair who seek a polished, all-day hold. Opt for this loosened, messier version for a romantic, Bohemian vibe that works beautifully for weddings or summer festivals. The subtle looseness adds desirable volume and softens the look around the face, ideal for oval or heart-shaped faces. 2. Pull-through braid half up. The pull-through braid creates the illusion of thickness and length, making it a fantastic style for fine hair that struggles with traditional braids. Wearing it half up keeps hair off the face, while showcasing the unique bubbled texture, perfect for a chic daytime look. This is a stunning alternative to a standard ponytail, providing maximum drama and volume. It's highly recommended for those with long hair who want a standout style for photos or any occasion where impact is key. 3. Fishtail Braid Crown. A tightly woven fishtail crown offers a majestic, polished look that is extremely secure and elegant, making it an excellent choice for professional settings or as a protective style. It beautifully frames the face, drawing attention to the eyes and bone structure. This relaxed crown with gentle, pulled-out edges captures a distinctly ethereal, Bohemian aesthetic, ideal for summer events or garden parties. The loose weaving adds texture and softness, complementing rounded or square face shapes. 4. Feather braid or basket weave, often called a basket weave. This style has a striking, architectural pattern that sets it apart from typical French or Dutch braids. It's a wonderful choice for showing off hair color variations or highlights, as the weaving brings multiple tones to the surface. Use this technique as an accent braid to elevate a simple hairstyle, such as a side sweep. It offers an unexpected detail that is both sophisticated and subtle, suitable for work or a classy dinner. 5. Double Dutch Braid Pigtails. A fierce, modern take on the classic pigtail, the boxer braid style is incredibly versatile, offering both a sporty functionality and an edgy fashion statement. This style is excellent for keeping all hair securely in place during high-energy activities. Bumping up the volume by gently loosening the braids transforms this style into a softer, more romantic look that adds a beautiful, contrasting texture to smooth outfits. It's a great option for shoulder-length hair to maximize volume. 6. 5-strand braid. This advanced braid creates a stunning, wide and flat weave with an almost checkered appearance, instantly elevating it beyond a simple 3-strand. It's a mesmerizing choice for showcasing long hair, and is particularly striking on uniform hair colors. Incorporating an accessory like a thin chain or ribbon into the central strand adds an unexpected metallic or colorful element. This is a brilliant way to accessorize for a party or to match jewelry, turning a hairstyle into a piece of art. 7. Waterfall Braid Half Up. The waterfall braid is effortlessly romantic, creating a cascade of free-flowing hair that remains untangled and neat. This style is flattering on nearly all hair lengths and textures, offering a simple yet elegant way to manage hair that is typically worn down. Using the waterfall braid as a simple accent around the face keeps front layers out of the way while adding a soft, decorative band. It is highly recommended for everyday wear when you want a quick, pretty way to spice up loose hair. 8. Cornrow Topknot/Updo. Cornrows offer a clean, sculpted foundation that protects the hair and creates a striking contrast when combined with a voluminous updo. This style is exceptionally polished and is fantastic for displaying defined facial features and a long neck. The intricacy of the parting allows for geometric and artistic designs, making the scalp a canvas. Choosing a highly defined pattern makes a bold, fashionable statement that is highly sought after for its unique aesthetic and longevity. 9. Chain braid. The chain braid utilizes a clever knotting technique instead of weaving, resulting in a unique, interlocking loop pattern that looks like a literal chain. It's much easier to execute than it looks and provides a chunky, textured braid ideal for medium-length hair. Adding a chain braid accent to the base of a ponytail or bun offers an immediate upgrade from a simple hair tie. This tiny detail introduces a complex texture that is highly eye-catching and suggests meticulous styling. 10. Zipper braid. This is one of the rarest and most impressive braids, featuring a central zipper track created by a complex over-under motion. It's the ultimate statement braid for those seeking to demonstrate mastery or simply wear a truly one-of-a-kind style that commands attention. The defined, layered look of the zipper braid makes it an excellent choice for finishing a high ponytail, giving the simple updo a high-fashion, structural edge. The smooth surface of the braid contrasts beautifully with sleek, straight hair,